Will other drug companies as
US President Donald Trump has just made a deal with Pfizer that could shake up drug prices. But could it actually save people money? Here is what happened. Pfizer has agreed to cut prices for the drugs it sells to the Medicaid program, the government program that helps millions of low-income Americans afford healthcare. And it will be part of the White House's new website for Americans to buy drugs called Trump RX that will launch in 2026. Trump says he expects other drug makers to follow Pfizer's lead. So what does this deal mean for drug prices? Currently, drug makers already have to give Medicaid big discounts by law. And while Pfizer has pledged to reduce prices for the majority of its treatments covered by Medicaid, it hasn't said exactly when these cuts will happen and how deep they'll go. It's also unclear if these price cuts will affect sales through commercial insurers or other government plans like Medicare. And there's another promise on the table. Pfizer also committed to launching new drugs at the same price in the US as in other wealthy countries. Americans currently pay 3 times more for brand-name medications than places like Canada or Europe. Some companies like Bristol Myers have already made similar pledges about better matching international prices. Questions remain if announced prices will be final or if drug makers can still offer confidential discounts.